Increase productivity in the injection molding process using cycle time analysis. As a plastics manufacturer, you are constantly faced with increasing costs, complexity, higher performance and quality demands, while your customers expect lower prices and a reduced environmental footprint. What if you are notified of cycle time deviations as they occur? What if you could easily identify inconsistencies against current and historical cycle time KPIs? What if you could identify and benchmark low and high-performing machines for each running mold? Access to these powerful and timely insights enables you to take proactive steps to improve productivity. Next, we'll show you how AaxisPLAST4.0 can help you achieve this. AaxisPLAST alerts you instantly on any device, anywhere, if there are unusual deviations from cycle time standards. These variations are usually unnoticed and at times never addressed. With AaxisPLAST's timely alerts, you can quickly review the process parameters to identify the root cause so you can take immediate corrective action. The Cycle Time Analysis feature allows you to visualize variations in cycle time using KPIs such as ideal, mean, min, and max cycle time across time windows by simply dragging the slider to a specific period when a mold was deployed on a machine. Comparison of cycle time across machines over a time period enables you to make data-driven decisions on improving performance. You can also easily and quickly review low and high performing machines for the given mold to benchmark the performance of machines against their running mold. Benchmarking machines for each mold running on them enables you to plan and forecast production with higher accuracy. With the help of AaxisPLAST, one of our customers increased performance by 9% in 2 months across their molding section. Contact us to learn how AaxisPLAST can deliver top-line and bottom-line value to your business.